Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is new panel to review NSO data. Union government formed Standing Committee on Statistics as a new internal oversight mechanism to review NSO data. It will replace Standing Committee on Economic Statistics and will have a wider mandate to review the framework and results of all surveys conducted under the aegis of the National Statistical Office. It is formed after the findings from the last round of household survey on consumption, expenditure and employment were junked, citing data quality issues. Now moving on to its composition, it has 10 official members and 4 non-official members who are eminent academicians. Panel could have maximum 16 members. Pronab Sen, India's first chief statistician, has been named as a chair of the new committee. The development is significant amid sharp criticism received by India's statistical machinery from members of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister. Roles and responsibilities. It will help in the identification of data gaps that need to be filled by official statistics. Committee's mandate extends beyond economic data and extends to advising the ministry on technical aspects for all surveys. It has also been mandated to explore the use of administrative statistics to improve data outcomes. While the panel will help finalize survey results, the NSC will have the ultimate authority to approve the publication of those results.